Why does your scanner show the P0983 engine code? What does it mean? P0983 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid D-Control Circuit High. This engine code indicates that this is an electrical issue that causes the transmission control module, TCM, to cut power to the solenoid, preventing the transmission from shifting into higher gears. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift solenoid, D. Wiring issues. Damaged connectors. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. TCM or ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota and Honda models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.